Yeah, welcome, guys. We are live at Empire Crypto TV. We are live today. Welcome. As usual, please invite your friends, invite your family, invite your teams, your groups. Tell them we are live here at Empire Crypto TV. We all about bringing this information to you, bringing this amazing information, crypto education, blockchain education, becoming a better trader. All right, we are live here. Do say something on the comment section. Let's engage, guys. Let's talk on the comment section. Tell us where you're watching this live broadcast from. Mention your area, mention your state, mention your province, mention your country if you're outside South Africa. I know we've got so many people who are coming out of South Africa, from Lesotho, from Botswana, from Kenya, from Nigeria, from Israel, and even UK. So yeah, let's engage. Let's talk where you're watching this live broadcast from. Today we've got one of the amazing topic that we'll be discussing here. As you know that different days we come up with different topics, discussions, so that you get educated, you get trained on this information on the crypto space. At the end of time, do not want to see people saying I didn't learn anything, or 2021 was my worst year in terms of learning and stuff. Because if you pay attention to all this information that we bring to you, you're going to get something. Not only something, you're going to really learn so much strategies. All right, we've got there Lisiho. Thank you, Lisiho. It's first time to see you, first time commenting. So to say, welcome to Empire Crypto TV. And of course, we are live here every day, 7 p.m. So make sure that you do not miss our shows. Please go over to our YouTube channel and subscribe. There's so much information on our YouTube channel. So yeah, become part of the family. I like your profile photo there. I see, is it an eagle or something? But yeah, welcome all the way from Botswana. Please invite others. Just share this live broadcast to your friends. Where you are watching this live broadcast from your phone, there's a share button. Do make use of that share button. Thank you so much. Thank you, AP. All right, Mr. Tibeto, all the way from Bloemfontein. This one champ who's always hungry for information, who's always up there looking, hunting. I'll put it across and say he's always hunting for that information. And of course, he's actually knowledgeable. There's so much knowledge on this guy. There's so much information with him because of his hunger out there. He's always hungry. So yeah, thank you, man. Thank you so much for being with us here today. And we see here we've got Belelihle Sompis. Sakwamukela mnumzana, sakwamukela la ekhaya. Sithi sikwathulela isigqoko. Ungahlala ungathatha isitulo nje uhlale lapha sikuphakele ulwazi lendlebe, uluju lwendlebe awuthi ngisho. Siyakwamukela mnumzana, sibonga uba khona kwakho la ekhaya. Thank you so much, guys. Today's topic, we are talking of the crypto strategy. I mean, there are so many strategies that we have been talking about on this platform, on this channel. So we always share these strategies with you. It's up to you after this live broadcast to go further and look for more information, to research, to take that journey, to say, you know what, I'm taking this information further. It mustn't just ends here. It mustn't just be the information that you leave here. You must take it with you and seek for some more information out there. But yeah, we commit to make sure that we feed you with this blockchain cryptocurrency information. All right, yeah, guys, continue mentioning your seat on the comment section. Continue telling us where you're watching this live broadcast from. As we keep engaging, we'll definitely get that positive energy. Lungelo, hi, how are you, Lungelo? Nice coming through. It's been some days I haven't seen you, but thank you for being with us today. We are excited to be with you. And then, all right, Christopher, the topic, the discussion of the day is how to short Bitcoin. Okay, how to short Bitcoin. All right. So many times people always think the only way to make money or to trade Bitcoin is to buy or is to go long, so to say. But there is another way, it's another strategy as well, which is commonly used on the forex market and on the stock market. So cryptocurrency market is not exempt. It's not very much different from these other markets. They've got some similarities in qualities. So there are some components that are similar. Of course, in the forex market, they use, the other guy was asking me the other day whether in the crypto space there's MT4 or MT5. I said in the crypto space we use exchanges, platforms, not MT4 or MT5. Of course, there are platforms which measure in the forex market who are using MT4 and MT5, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, who have actually added cryptocurrencies on those platforms. But that doesn't mean cryptocurrencies are the major components on that platform. They're just being added. But yeah, of course, the major ones on the crypto space, we use exchanges, we use platforms and crypto wallets. That's what we use. That's what is widely used on this space. All right. As we start, any crypto trader should know how to profit from prices falling by shorting Bitcoin. All right, shorting Bitcoin. So you must be able to profit by shorting Bitcoin. You often hear about strategies such as HODL, which is investing and holding for long term, and BTD. But in the world of cryptocurrencies, shorting is much less discussed. Like I'm mentioning, shorting is much less discussed. In this article, in this uh, live broadcast, I will show you how to short Bitcoins to profit from a bear market. Shorting is essentially the practice of betting on the price of a falling asset. Okay, you'll be betting on a price of a falling asset, which is falling Bitcoin, and then you say, I'm shorting. I can see an opportunity where Bitcoin is going to fall from 60,000 maybe to 55,000. You are very much assured, or you are very much convinced that Bitcoin is going to fall to a certain level. In that case, you can take a short trade. It's called shorting. You are selling Bitcoin so that you can actually exit when it gets lower or buy when it gets lower. So it's a method, it's a strategy called shorting. It's easy to go bullish, bull, which is long. You just buy Bitcoin and store it. Shorting, however, is a very difficult and different process. Keep So this process of doing it, which is mainly used on some other exchanges, not all exchanges, not all platforms have got this feature, but there are some platforms which have got this feature. Okay, all right. I see here we've got uh, thank you, Nokolo. Thank you for gracing us here today. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for being with us here. We appreciate your presence. All right. I'm just checking this information so that I can share this with you. All right. Trading strategies, which is this is the topic that we're talking about, going long or versus going short. Shorts and longs are essentially sell and buy strategies in trading. Most cryptocurrency assets are characterized by high volatility. Okay, so there's so much volatility which is happening. The use of shorts and longs enables traders to profit from price fluctuations. Um, I'll share the chart shortly so that you can see what I'm talking about. Um, a long strategy is buying. All right. When you're talking of a long, this is whereby you are buying an asset in the expectation that it will rise in price. The amount of profit depends on the increase in the value of the investment. All right. So you are buying. This is going long, going short and going long. So someone who says, I'm going long on Bitcoin, it means they're very much bullish on Bitcoin. I'm going long on Ethereum. It means they're very much buying that Ethereum. They're very much positive about the Ethereum going up. So that's why they say, I'm going long on this currency. I'm going long on this set of stocks if it's in the stock market. And of course, when someone says, I'm going short, it's expectation that this market or this instrument, product, or currency, or coin, or token is going to fall. When it's falling, then I can go short. I'm shorting this token. I'm shorting this crypto. I'm shorting this crypto currency. Understand? So this means you are selling. You are selling. All right. Under this, apparently under short strategy, a trader borrows an asset and sells it on the open market at its current price. Then they wait for the fall in the rate, buy the amount of the asset that they borrowed at a lower rate, and pay the debt with interest. Of course, the trader retains the profit received due to price changes. Otherwise, if the asset prices, the investor will suffer a loss. All right. Let me just share this screen so that you can understand what I'm talking about. I'm not sure if it's clear on your side, but this is what it says. It's just a demonstration of how shorting works. How shorting works. So short selling in three ways process, which is a short seller borrows crypto, which is BTC in our case, from an exchange. Short seller sells the borrowed stock, which is BTC, at its current price, and then a short seller buys back the stock at a lower price, returns the borrowed amount, and profits from the difference. So you're selling high because you see Bitcoin is about to go down, and at 60,000, it's, let's say it's trading at 60,000 US dollars, and then you say, you know what, I'm shorting, I'm selling. You sell, and then put a take profit at 55,000, because that's where you know that is going to actually stop. That's your exit level. Exit level at 55,000. So you have shorted BTC. This is happens a lot in the other markets, because the other markets, they always are fluctuating up and down. But of course, it's happening also in the crypto space, but not so popular, because in the crypto space, the market is always bullish. Most traders are always bullish, unless those who are actually exiting or something. But of course, we don't take away traders who are actually speculating on a daily basis. Those are the people who are moving the market up and down. because they will be speculating whether the market is going up or is going down. Okay. All right. Let's check here. 5 ways to short BTC. Okay. 5 ways to short BTC. All right. Let me pull the chart here so that people can actually see what I'm talking about. All right. All right. This is the chart. This is a platform. That's in fact, let me start from here. All right. You can see here where it says okay, let me just all right. There is here. This is a Binance platform. Of course, unfortunately, it's no longer allowing South African traders to participate on this platform, especially on these products that we are mentioning here. But there are so many other platforms that you can actually that they function the same. But so far, Binance was always the best, where we were making a lot of money here. Here you click on margin trading. All right, this is another feature. It's another trading strategy that can enable you to short sell Bitcoin. All right, one of the easiest ways to short Bitcoin is through a cryptocurrency margin trading platform. Many exchanges offer this type of trading in which investors can borrow money from a broker to place a trade. It is important to understand, guys, leverage so that you do not have unpleasant surprises. There's so much you can actually get surprised on these platforms, especially if you don't really understand. The world's most popular Bitcoin exchange offering margin trading are Binance, Poloniex, Bitfinex, believe OKEx as well, Huobi. There's so many of these exchanges, especially these big international exchanges, guys. They offer leverage trading, they offer margin trading. We've spoken a lot about margin trading on this platform. If you've been with us for some few days or for some few weeks, we have actually came up with that discussions talking about leverage trading, margin trading in the past. If you missed these lessons, you can go over onto our YouTube channel. The videos are still there. You can watch them. I encourage you guys watch them on YouTube, or you can always download them there and watch on your spare time when you've got time. And of course, do not forget to share with others, guys. It's all about bringing everyone on board. We want to make sure that we create a successful community who understand about cryptocurrency market. We have got so much information and knowledge about these crypto asset classes. All right. The other one is called, okay, this is margin trading, guys. I'm moving away from margin trading. If you've got some questions, you can say, put something on comment section. Let's engage, let's talk. Ask if you've got some questions. That's how you learn. You learn by asking. If you don't ask, you're not gonna understand anything. As you can see, guys, it says 10x margin trading is leverage trading. You can see here is 10x. It means whatever amount you have, it will be multiplied whenever you get into the market. Your profits will be multiplied. Okay, you can get into you can have $100 that you are using to trade, but profiting times 10x. That's what is meant by this 10x. Making 10x in profits from your little capital that you are actually having in your wallet or as as a capital for that trade. So you can make 10x. I'm sure you can see here there's others, guys. 5x, 5x, 3x, 3x. This is margin. This is leverage trading. This is a strategy, guys, that can enable you to short Bitcoin with this strategy. So you can actually short Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin. All right. The next one, it's let me see. All right. The next one is futures markets. Let me see if I can pull that up. Okay. All right. Send some love, guys. Some likes and love. Give me some energy. Give me some more energy so that I can actually give you all this information with enthusiastic. All right, futures markets, which is like investment Bitcoin, like other investment products, has long entered the futures market. All right. During a futures trade, guys, a buyer buys a contract that specifies the price at which the underlying asset will be sold. When you buy a futures contract, you as an investor, you assume that the underlying asset price will increase in the near future. Okay, so you are banking on the future, like the name says, it's a futures market. Selling a futures contract shows a bearish mindset and predicts that the price will fall soon. Selling futures contracts is an excellent way to short Bitcoin. All right. Futures markets are somewhat challenging to find, but you can buy and sell BTC futures on different platforms. So there are some platforms, guys, where you can actually sell futures. You must find all these platforms, guys, where you can sell, you can do all this advanced, I would say it's an advanced or professional trading. There is just basic trading, guys, where you buy Bitcoin maybe at Luno. If you still have got a Luno account or altcoin trader account, without having these international exchanges, guys, you are still very much at the beginning. You are still very much what can I say? A better word, but you are still very much on the basic side. When you start upgrading, when you start becoming a professional, that's when you start using these global exchanges, which have got a different products. They offer so much on their platforms, the user interfaces, the strategies that are offered on these platforms. It's massive. Just mentioned about products, they offer a variety of strategies as well. So you get so much on these international exchanges. But of course, our local exchanges, they cover the gap, especially the bridge, the gap of sending fiat currency to the exchange, buying those cryptocurrencies to send or start trading on these international exchanges. Because some of these international exchanges, they do not really offer, especially the deposits, the suitable deposit options from someone who's in South Africa or in Africa. So they need you, some of them, they need you to have a credit card or a debit card, of which some of our people don't have those credit cards, debit cards. If ever you are to send your fiat currency from bank to their bank, it will take you some days. I would not sit here, guys, and say, you know what, you can actually use your bank. You send money through the bank. It will take 5 days to reach their bank and stuff. So you do not want to do such a scenario. So what happens is that the local exchanges, they cover that gap, they bridge that gap. So they also very much important as much. So as a professional trader, you need to be all round. You need to have local, international, different exchanges that offer different. But of course, there are so many things that you have to look into. Like we mentioned last time, that there's so much in terms of security. You must make sure that you have you trust or choose secure platforms. All right. So this is features market. And the other one that we have here, it's called binary options trading. I know. So many of you guys have got a bad experience from these people who come to your inbox on social platforms talking about a binary trade or something, but the concept is still the same, but there's a much difference. And of course, those guys who are coming to your inbox, they are selling you dreams. They are selling you something that doesn't exist. They will tell you, I'll double your money within 24 hours. That's not really good people to listen to, but it's a topic for another day. If you've fallen a victim to such people, you must repent. You must start doing the right things. You must start learning the right way, how the market performs, what is the market. This is what we're teaching you about on this channel, Empire Crypto TV. All right, binary options trading. Call and put options are also investment products that allow investors to short Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. If you want to short cryptocurrencies or other currencies, you place a put order. Okay, on the binary options trading, there's something called put order. Via an options contract, you can sell Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies at the price of today. Later in the future, even if the price falls. Among the best binary options trading platforms of 2020, there's another platform called IQ Option, but there are so many other ones in the crypto exchanges that are offering this type of trading. I saw it on one platform. Is it Sushi Swap? Decentralized platform or something. I got a glimpse of this option, banner option trading, but I'll confirm, I'll bring that information to you some other days and how to go about it. The next one, it's okay, it's all right. Let me see if I've got all right. The last one is BTC, Bitcoin shorting risk. All right. Now let's dive into the risk of shorting Bitcoin. I mean, going short involves a lot of risk. Of course, the price of a coin might suddenly rise after an investor has just sold the coins in the hope of being able to repurchase. Okay, repurchase them later at a lower price. Of course, you want to short your Bitcoin. So many people have banned on this, especially those people who are negative about Bitcoin. There was a time um, so many people in one group, they were like Bitcoin is going to 19,000 US dollars. So some of those people shorted Bitcoin when it was 30,000 US dollars, expecting it to fall to $19,000 levels. But Bitcoin, instead of going down, it went up to 60,000 US dollars. As we can see today, Bitcoin is trading just above 60,000 US dollars. So what happens to those people who shorted Bitcoin? They got it wrong, and their orders were liquidated, so to say, because they went against the market. Okay, so they went against the market. So shorting is a bit of a problem in that way. Okay. Let's say you shorted, like, okay, let me just put an example. Let's say you shorted 100 US dollars worth of BTC back when prices were only 10 USD per coin. That means you sold 10 coins, right? Let's assume that you have yet to repurchase the coins, meaning that you still have to pay the owner back with yet 10 BTC. Now imagine that all of a sudden the price went up to 4,000 US dollars. The 10 BTC you need to pay back now turned into 40,000 USD. So when short selling, you must have sufficient trading capital to keep your current position open. Right? You make profit as soon as the price has dropped to the price you set in advance. Okay. Until then, the price of your crypto can fluctuate. When the price goes the opposite direction of your target, if the price goes up, your goal is for the price to fall. Remember, your position is red, your status will turn green as soon as the price is at the height that you have set in advance. So it is still possible not to set a target, but only a direction. So, all right. So this is shorting Bitcoin, guys. But of course, it's not a usual, it's not a popular strategy. The popular one is buying because the market is bullish, guys. I would also, especially long-term holders, I would not really advise them to short any coin. There's no need. There's no purpose of shorting a coin, especially when you're a hodler, because a hodler is someone who buys and just leave. Shorting, you need to be aware of what you are doing. You need to have a strategy. You need to know how to trade if you are to use the strategy of shorting cryptocurrencies. You need to be very, very acute in whatever you're doing because this market is bullish. You might short Shiba and say it's gonna go down, and then Shiba the next morning it goes up 50%. Imagine what would have happened to your account, capital, and stuff. Trading is good, guys. It's more profitable. You can still make a lot of money trading, but it's also risky if you do it wrong, the wrong way. You might be feeling the pain. When everyone is excited, everyone is actually making some noise, happy. We are making money in the ship, stuff we are making money. The market is going up. You will be sad because you did the opposite. So the most important thing, guys, know what you are doing. If you are to short a currency, be prepared and have a thorough understanding of what exactly you are doing. All right, let me check the breaking news. I see there are some breaking news. Let me see if we've got some breaking news. Okay. All right, there we go. What's happening here? All right, these are an excellent news, guys. El Salvador buys deep again and now owns 1,120 BTC. Okay, remember last time they bought the president of El Salvador, went into an initiative to buy Bitcoin himself, obviously together with the country, But imagine the whole president guy saying, you know what, we trust in Bitcoin. The whole president saying, I'm taking this initiative. I'm actually taking this bull by its horns. I'm going to go against the norms. No ever president in the world has ever actually taken that step, because all the presidents, they think alike. They're in the same WhatsApp group. They listen to others. They just put their ears on the ground, listen to what other people are saying, what other presidents, what other countries are saying. Then they go against. Then they go with the rest. No president is always going against others. They all think alike. They all move alike. They all do the same things. So, but the president of El Salvador took this stance and introduced Bitcoin to its citizens, the whole country. Said they in fact they paid them with in Bitcoins. So now El Salvador is they owning 1,120 BTC, which is the breaking news that happened today is that they invested another 420 BTC, taking the total it holds to reserve to 1,120. Okay, the president, which is his name is Nayib Bukele, announced that the country had bought the dip. All right, what do we mean about buying the dip? The market went negative in the past 24 hours, 72 hours. The market went negative. Bitcoin was trading at 63,000, 62,000 some few days ago, and then it went back to 57,000 US dollars. So that was an opportunity for those with money to enter the market to buy more Bitcoins. That's what the intelligent president Nayib Bukele did for his country. They bought the dip. That's why we call buying the dip. So they bought the dip. All right. So they spotted an opportunity. This is what we should be doing also. When the market goes red, when there's blood on the street, when the everything, it's a bit scary, that's when you buy. That's when you release some funds and buy. But what we do normally, most of our people, when there's blood on the street, when the market is offering good opportunities to buy, we run away, we move away, we fear. It's only when the market starts moving up, when people are ululating, everyone is excited. That's when you come closer and say, "What are you guys excited of? What are you guys looking at? What's so funny, guys? What's so precious?" That's when now you buy. That's a wrong mentality. Buy when there's blood on the street. Okay. All right, so these are good news, guys, for that country. These are good news for the world. I mean, of course, it's in El Salvador. It doesn't touch our country, but this is good for the whole market. It's good for the cryptocurrency space to hear about such initiative, to hear about such project, to hear about such. I mean, head of state taking such decisions. So it's actually good news for us, guys, because it's more adoption of this market. Remember, this market moves up by adoption. So the more people adopt, the more people come into the space, the more the prices go up. All right. So thank you, guys. Let me see if we've got just to show you the market. Right. Okay. All right, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe. Go on to our YouTube channel, Empire Crypto TV. Let me just pin our name here. For those who are new, you can see, guys, Empire Crypto TV on our YouTube channel. Go over there and subscribe. Subscribing is touching that red button, subscribe. When you have subscribed, it means whenever we go live, You're always going to be notified that we are live. You're always going to see that we are live, and then you join the discussion. Do not miss this discussion, guys. They will take you from zero to hero. Very soon, you will be on the platform coming to us, having a testimony of what happened, how we actually introduced you to this market. This is what we are looking for. All right, as you can see, Bitcoin 61,000 as we speak now, 61,000 US dollars. Ethereum $4,200. BNB 487 US dollars, looking good. Solana back to $200. Okay, XRP a bit struggling, but it's coming up. Wanted to go over $1.15. Shiba 150%. Oh, in the last 7 days, in these 7 days, 150%. Wow. So much money is being made, guys, in this space. If you don't understand what we're talking about, we are talking about money. We are talking about millions that are being made by people in the crypto space. Real money, guys, real money, not money on the, money on the, this is money on the computer, this is just money on the computer. These are just numbers. This is real money. It's happening. People are making it big just by buying and holding without doing much. You don't even have to know how to trade or something, but you just have to have a desire and a dream. I'm dreaming of becoming a multimillionaire. What shall I do? What must I do? Then you take action. You come into the market, understand the market, pick good coins, and then invest. Put your money, invest. Whilst you are still working or you've got your own business, it's good. Whilst you're still working, earning a salary, committing yourself to say, you know what, I'm taking this 2,000 rands a month or 1,000 rands a month. I'm gonna be buying these coins every month. They will amaze you one day. They will show you some flames. They will show you that the cryptocurrency market is real. You can buy that expensive house, that dream house within a year, within 6 months, within a very short period of time, just by committing yourself to look into this market. People, the tragedy is when someone doesn't really the tragedy is when someone doesn't have any coin at this point in time. Someone who doesn't have any coin at this point in time is a problem. Maybe it's a societal problem, maybe leaders' problem, but it's a problem. You need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 coins in your portfolios. If you are not investing in the cryptocurrency market, where are you investing at? Where are you investing? Where is your money going? Right. What's up, guys? What's up? Let's make it happen. Thank you, guys. Thank you for subscribing on our YouTube channel. Let's meet again tomorrow, where we'll be discussing different projects, reviewing different projects, and giving out some good, solid coins to invest in. So make sure that you do not miss. And of course, next week, guys, we are lined up with so many guests here on the platform. So yeah, hopefully, let's meet again next week again, so we can discuss. We've got so many guests lined up for next week. I'm excited for next week. But yeah, tomorrow, let's meet again here. Thank you so much. All right.